Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your video into an apocalypse survivor using Pippit AI for free. Okay, first of all, you're going to go to Pippit AI website. Then you're going to sign in to earn free credits. Then just go to the home menu and add your prompt here. This is my prompt and I'm going to upload my photo to this website. Hold on guys, I'm still choosing the photo. Okay, this one. And once we upload the photo, we can submit it and let the AI do something for our photo. Okay, done for the photos. Oh my god, that's so cool. And I'm going to choose one of them. I'm gonna go with this photo. This one looks real, and I'm going to download it. Click on the download menu and the photo will be saved to your device. And if you're not satisfied, you can click on regenerate here and the AI will regenerate the photos for you. Okay guys, and that's how we can turn our photo into an apocalypse survivor using Pippit AI.